Welcome to the fast-paced world of the gambling industry. Today, we dive into the steps of starting a gambling business in the USA in 2024. The gambling sector is a vibrant, dynamic landscape, filled with opportunities for those ready to take the plunge. It's a lucrative venture, with billions of dollars circulating annually, and it's growing year on year. This industry provides an exhilarating mix of risk, reward, and relentless innovation. Ready to roll the dice and start your own gambling business? Let's get started. The first step in starting any business is understanding the legal framework. With gambling, it's no different. In the United States, the gambling industry is governed by a combination of federal and state laws. These laws determine what kinds of gambling activities are permissible and how they can be conducted. For instance, some states allow certain types of gambling like casino games or horse racing, while others may only permit lotteries. It's crucial to research and understand these laws in your specific state before you dive into setting up your gambling business. One of the most significant legal considerations when starting a gambling business is obtaining a gambling license. This license is a formal permit provided by the government, giving you the right to operate a gambling establishment. The process to apply for a gambling license can be quite complex and involves multiple stages. It usually starts with submitting an application to the relevant regulatory body, followed by a thorough review of your business plan, financial stability, and your personal integrity. These licenses are not handed out lightly. There's often a rigorous vetting process to ensure the applicant can conduct gambling activities in a fair and transparent manner. This might include background checks, credit checks, and even interviews. It's also worth noting that the cost of a gambling license can vary greatly from state to state, so budgeting for this expense is a must. In addition to a gambling license, you would also need to comply with other legal requirements, such as zoning laws. These laws dictate where you can operate a gambling establishment. For example, you might not be allowed to open a casino near a school or a residential neighborhood. Remember, navigating the legal landscape can be tricky, so you might want to consult with a legal expert. They can help you understand the nuances of the law, guide you through the license application process, and ensure your gambling business stays on the right side of the law. This way, you can focus on what you do best, creating an exciting and profitable gambling business. Now that you're familiar with the legal landscape, it's time to form your limited liability company, or LLC. In the business world, an LLC is like your suit of armor. It's a legal entity that separates your business assets from your personal assets, offering protection against potential claims and lawsuits. This is particularly important in a high-stakes industry like gambling. Forming an LLC for your gambling business is like laying the foundation for your castle. It provides credibility, it could potentially save you money on taxes, and it helps you establish your business as a separate entity. So, how do you go about forming an LLC? Well, that's where our friends at Taylor Brands come in. They simplify the process, guiding you every step of the way. First, you'll need to choose a name for your LLC. It should be unique and not already in use by another company. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization with the Secretary of State in the state where your business will operate. This document includes information about your business, such as its name, purpose, and the names of the members. After filing, you'll create an operating agreement. This is an internal document that outlines how your LLC will be run. It includes details on management, member roles, and how profits and losses will be distributed. Now, let's talk about cost. The cost to form an LLC varies by state, ranging from $50 to $500. Taylor Brands can provide an exact quote based on your specific situation. The timeline for forming an LLC also varies. In some states, it can be done in as little as a few days, while in others, it may take a few weeks. Taylor Brands will keep you updated on the progress and notify you as soon as your LLC is officially formed. With your LLC formed, you're one step closer to launching your gambling business. Next up, you'll need an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This 9-digit number is essentially a social security number for your business. It's issued by the IRS and is crucial for your business operations. You'll need it to open a business bank account, file tax returns, and even to hire employees. So, how do you get one? It's pretty straightforward. You can apply directly on the IRS website. The process is free and typically takes less than 15 minutes. You'll answer a few questions about your business and voila, you'll receive your EIN instantly. But if you don't want to go it alone, Taylor Brands can help. They streamline the process, taking care of the paperwork and ensuring everything is in order. Not only can Taylor Brands assist with forming your LLC, but they can also facilitate the EIN application process. With your EIN in hand, you're ready to navigate the financial landscape of your business. With the legal and structural framework in place, it's time to talk about funding. Now, funding is the lifeblood of any business, and your gambling venture is no exception. The capital you raise will be the fuel that powers your business engine, so it's crucial to consider your options carefully. You might opt to fund your business with personal savings. This is a common route for many entrepreneurs, and it's the quickest way to get things moving. However, this approach requires significant personal financial risk, so it's not for everyone. Then we have loans. Traditional bank loans, small business administration loans, or even personal loans could be viable options. These provide large sums of money upfront, which can be crucial for a capital-intensive business like gambling. However, remember that loans must be repaid with interest, which adds an extra layer of financial pressure. Next, there's the option of seeking investors. This could be in the form of angel investors, venture capitalists, or even friends and family who believe in your vision. Investors not only provide funds, but can also bring valuable expertise and connections. However, in return, they'll typically want a stake in your business, which means sharing control and profits. Alternatively, crowdfunding presents an exciting option. Platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe allow you to pitch your business idea to the public, who can then contribute funds. This method can also help validate your business idea, as the market directly funds concepts they believe in. No matter the funding route you choose, remember that a solid business plan is paramount. It's your business's roadmap, showing potential investors or lenders how you plan to make money and assure their return on investment. A well-crafted business plan can be the difference between securing funding and falling short. So explore these funding avenues, weigh the pros and cons, and choose the one that best aligns with your business objectives and risk tolerance. Remember, a well-funded business is a business set for success. Now comes the exciting part, building your gambling platform. Your gambling platform is the heart of your business. It's where the magic happens, where the dice are rolled, cards are dealt, and bets are placed. There are two main avenues you can explore: a physical casino or an online platform. Building a physical casino is a monumental task. It involves finding a prime location, obtaining the necessary permits, and constructing a space that echoes the thrill and allure of gambling. It's a laborious process, but the payoff is a tangible, vibrant hub for gamblers to congregate. On the other hand, an online platform offers a different set of challenges and rewards. With the digital age in full swing, online gambling platforms have become increasingly popular. They offer convenience and accessibility, allowing players to indulge in their favorite games from the comfort of their homes. Whether you choose a physical casino or an online platform, the importance of hiring experienced developers and designers cannot be overstated. These professionals will help you create a platform that is not only functional, but also visually appealing. They'll ensure that your platform is user-friendly, secure, and engaging, essential factors in keeping your players coming back for more. In the realm of online platforms, a user-friendly interface is key. It should be easy to navigate, with games, account details, and support readily accessible. Security is another crucial aspect. Players need to trust that their information and money are safe with you. A secure platform is not a luxury, but a necessity. Engagement is the final piece of the puzzle. Your platform needs to engage your players, keep them entertained, and encourage them to spend more time and money. This could be through a variety of games, attractive promotions, or a loyalty program. Remember, your platform is more than just a place for gambling. It's an experience. And the more memorable and enjoyable you can make that experience, the better your chances of success. With a captivating platform, you're ready to attract customers and make a name for yourself in the gambling industry. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting a gambling business in the USA. We've taken you through understanding the legal framework, forming your LLC with Taylor Brands, securing your EIN, funding your venture, and building your platform. Each step is crucial to your success. Remember, the gambling industry is a high-risk, high-reward venture. But with careful planning and execution, you can roll the dice and come out a winner. Good luck!